Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky and today we are going to make pesto pasta. So, let's get started. Let's begin and cook 3 bacon strips over medium-high heat. Cook them for 3 to 5 minutes or until both sides are done. Transfer the cooked bacon on a paper towel-lined plate. Allow them to cool down before chopping them into bits and pieces. Set them aside for later. Carefully degrease the frying pan with paper towel. Then heat 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium-high heat. Sauté 3 tablespoons of onion and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauté them until your kitchen smells awesome. Turn the heat to low and add the bits and pieces of bacon. Cook them for 60 minutes, then turn the heat off. Set aside and allow them to cool down completely. Now let's cook the spaghetti noodles. Boil 4 to 5 quarts of water over high heat. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt. Best parts coming up, lowering the noodles. It's not a dumbbell. Carefully release them into the boiling water. Cook them over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until tender but still firm. Lower the heat and sample the noodles to make sure they are cooked. Fish out a noodle and take a bite. Al dente. You may also get one and snap. The center should no longer have a white dot. Remove from stove and save some of the pasta water for later use. Use a strainer to drain the noodles completely. Allow the noodles to cool down for a minute or two. In the meantime, let's transfer our bacon bits and olive oil in a large mixing bowl. Add 1/3 cup of the basil pesto. I used my homemade basil pesto. Pour 1/3 or 1/2 cup of pasta water. Mix well to combine. Now let's mix in the cooked noodles in the basil pesto sauce. Give it a good mix until they well incorporate. Let's not forget to season them with pinches of salt and pepper. Give it another good mix to combine. I enjoy nutty texture to the dish, so I'm adding pine nuts, but you may leave them out if desired. Time to do our plating. Generously put some on the plate. Garnish them with a little more pine nuts or freshly grated Parmesan cheese. With or without cheese, they are both equally delicious. And there you have it, my basil pesto pasta. Serve warm and enjoy! Happy feeds! Look!